Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing henna and egg so the dye binds correctly. Measure 50-100 grams of sifted henna. This ensures even release of color. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 1/4 cup warm water to temper the egg and lower pH for better dye uptake. Mix the wet into henna until you get a thick yogurt-like paste. This texture prevents drips and helps paste adhere to strands. Once your paste is ready, you move quickly to application so the dye doesn't oxidize prematurely. Section hair into 4 to 6 sections and clip. This gives controlled, full coverage. Starting close to the roots, spread paste with a brush or gloved fingers in a 1 to 2 centimeter layer toward the ends, pressing into strands to keep contact. After application, wrap hair in plastic and cover with a towel to retain heat. Let it set for 2 to 4 hours for color development. You finish by rinsing and restoring hair balance so color and strength remain intact. Rinse thoroughly with cool water until the runoff runs clear. Do not shampoo for 24 hours to allow pigment to set. Follow with a protein-rich conditioner or an egg yolk mask to replenish moisture and bond the cuticle. If you notice an unwanted greenish tint or dullness, make an acidic rinse with 1 tablespoon vinegar diluted in water and apply briefly. This adjusts pH and shifts pigments back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.